Here, we demonstrate palming the scissors. This is typically done before you mount your needle holder. The scissor is mounted on just your ring finger, thumb disengaged, and the scissor rotated proximally and toward your palm. We are performing a horizontal mattress suture in this tutorial. The needle is reversed without handling to aid with efficiency. You can learn this technique in episode 2, Master Your Suture. To cut, you use your thumb first to rotate the scissors out and distally, and then to mount the remaining ring of the scissors and cut. You can now disengage your thumb and use your index finger to fold the scissors back into your palm.